Hey guys, good evening. It's already near the countdown to 2018 and we're waiting for the fireworks here. Okay, I just want to say thank you to all of you subscribers that have subscribed to my channel. It really means a lot to me, and to hit the number by 2018 it's a huge deal to me. So thank you so much. And now I'm going to fly the drone and hopefully I can do a live stream. If I can do the live stream, then I will not be posting this video. But if the live stream fails because the network will not be very stable, possibly I cannot upload anything. But I'm going to try. Alright, here's to 2018. Alright, gonna happen anytime soon now. Forgot to also mention that this is my first time seeing the fireworks in KL, and we're now seeing it from Taman Tasik Titiwangsa. This is gonna be epic. So, didn't know what to expect. Hopefully it's gonna be big this time around. So yeah, here we go. I'm gonna set up the drone now and let's see how it goes. Alright, that's it guys. I'm gonna land the drone now. Guys, so that's it. That's the end of the fireworks. Too bad we can't really see with our own eyes. The drone can see a lot of really good shots, and just now you can see a 360 of all the fireworks around KL. It's insane. It's like the one they had in Berlin. Okay, now we're gonna pack up and we're gonna go home, and yeah, as always, thank you for watching. And if you're new here, consider subscribing because we have a lot of content like this. We have a lot of travel videos and also drone tutorials. Yeah, alright. Have a good 2018 and don't forget to subscribe and don't forget me.